Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the PUMA Wild Rider Rollin. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, it helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we aren't able to do this. So let's go. And today we've got a look at the PUMA Wild Rider Rollin. And we got these in the black and grey colorway. And we got it in the UK size 7.5. It's the US 8.5 and it's European 41. And we'll look at it right now. Here it is. Really dope sneaker. I mean, I don't think that dad sneaker trend is gonna die. The chunky trainer, I keep seeing it all over the gaff. And Puma have not gone away with that kind of style. Obviously, we've done the RSX, Mario collab as well to the N64 one. And yeah, that kind of chunky trainer vibes, they're not putting it away, Puma. So hats off to them because it's kind of stylish. I still haven't seen that trend die. But I see more of a basketball, everyone moving on to that basketball kind of sneaker, low cut kind of vibe at the minute. But you know, the future will tell. So with the outsole, so this outsole is an all rubber outsole, and for our German viewers, I'm not gonna butcher your language, but there's a lot of the Puma heritage. It's all written on the front sneaker. And you've also got the Puma cat in the middle. Moving along onto the midsole unit. So this midsole is Puma's EVA, which is essentially an EVA foam, and it's there for your cushioning, it's there for your support. But this is one thing that's striking me, and this sneaker reminds me of the Sacai Nike waffle. You can see it obviously with that black, white, grey colorway, but with the double stack here, you can see it there, and the elongated midsole there as well. But I'm not going to throw any accusations. We move along into the upper. So this whole upper sneaker is made out of a whole blend of materials. So you've got the underlays, which are made out of nylon. So you can see it here, front. Essentially, it's all the grey bits. So those are all textile materials. At the mudguard, it's a nice black suede. The lace paneling, suede as well, as along with the Puma logo that's on the tongue. The lace system is your typical normal lacing system with flat laces. The Puma form strip here is a PU coated leather, and what I really like about this is that it extends all the way onto the heel, so it looks like a pull tab for the heel. Looking at the heel counter, so you've got a blend of TPU plastics here for the stability. The heel paneling here is suede, and it's grey suede at the top with the Puma logo there. The inside, so in the insole you've got the Puma. So on the inside you've got the Puma logo, just all inside there. It's all textile materials as well, so the lining all textile. And you've got the little bits just on the side of the heel, you've got designed by Puma. These are pretty dope sneakers. We love that chunky trainer vibe. It's not dead with us here at Oneupreviewz. So roll that footage of me trying these Wild Rider Rollin sneakers out. That is a mouthful. You try saying that 6 times. comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Puma fit. I'm a 7.5. This is pretty much a great fit for me. My toes are where they need to be. And these are really comfy, guys. I love the look, comfort. It's an overall winner to me. You can't see me put my thumbs up, but I'm putting my thumbs up. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. That's on the Instagram. Until next time, peace.